Good night, Professor. My name is Maureen Santa Maria, so I am here today to explain to you the final project, which is about describing the 24 consonants. So we're gonna learn a little bit how to articulate those sounds. Okay, first we're gonna start with the consonant P, which is a voiceless. Okay, and the place of articulation is bilabial. For example, in the initial position, we have pen, in the middle or medial happy, and in the final, okay, we have the stop. Okay, for the b, we have that is voiced, and the place of articulation is bilabial because we put together two lips. For example, in the initial, the word book, in the medial table, and in the final job. Okay, then we follow with the next consonant, t, which is voiceless. The place of articulation is alveolar. For example, in the initial is time, medial water, and the final cat. Then the next consonant is d, which is voiced. The place of articulation is alveolar. And the examples we have the in the initial dog, medial later, and final read. Then we have the consonant k, so it's voiceless. The place of articulation is velar. And then the examples in the initial we have kite, in the middle we have ducker, and in the final one we have book. Okay, and the next consonant is j, which is voiced, and the place of articulation is velar. For example, in the initial go, in the middle began, and in the final back. Okay. Now, the based on the manner of articulation, affricates, we have the consonants. Okay, t, which is t, which is voiceless. The place of articulation is palatal. The initial we have cheese. Okay, medial we have kitchen. Okay, in the final what. Okay, the other one that is affricate, but the next consonant is in this case j, okay, which is voiced. The place of articulation palatal. For example, in the initial jump, okay, in the middle magic, and the final edge. Okay. Now, based on the place of, sorry, on the manner of articulation about the liquids, we have O, which is voice, the place of articulation alveolar. For example, in the initial, light, in the middle, belly, in the final, ball. And then the other sound, which is we have voiced, the place of articulation is palatal. For example, at the initial, run, in the middle carrot, and the final card.